everybody, and welcome. As we like to do every week, we like to take a look at the past week's market activity and then kind of bounce around the market and look for something to trade. So if we've been watching the market at all, we've seen over the last couple months it's been kind of heading straight up, but this last week it took a bit of a dive. But again, we don't know from here if that means it's going to continue down or up, because we had a similar kind of occurrence right here, right? And then the next 2 weeks it shot straight up. So the reason I trade Iron Condors most of the time is because I don't really have a strong conviction on direction. So in this case, I don't know if this is going to be a kind of a repeat of here, or this is the beginning of kind of a downward bear market, which is why Iron Condors pick a range, and I'm more comfortable doing that unless I have a really strong conviction, like something like this, let's say, is bottomed out. And I might say like, wow, it's dropped so far that I think it's going to go up from here, so I'll bet on it, just a strictly up direction. But when it's in kind of these ranges, I prefer to choose ranges, which means Iron Condors. So at the beginning of every year, I like to put on trades in all the major indices: S&P 500, the NASDAQ, the Russell, and bonds. So we put on a NASDAQ trade, which is QQQ, a couple weeks ago. So of the remaining indices, let's see which one has the highest volatility. So this is SPY. And if you look down here, the IV rank is around 28. We've already done the QQQs. They're at about 30, so that's good. We did, and that's the highest one. And the other one is the Russell, and you can see down here that's at about 23. So if I'm going to put on my next trade in one of the major indices, what I'm going to do is go into the SPY, because that has higher volatility than the Russell. So I go to the trade page. And again, I'm always looking for around 45 days. So tomorrow this will be 46. I've saved us the trouble of going through all the different strikes. In this case, the stock price is at 408. What I'm doing is I'm going $24 to the upside and $24 to the downside, selling the put and the call, and then buying the put and call to turn this into a $2 wide Iron Condor. And again, as long as I'm collecting 66 cents or more, in this case I am, this is a valid trade. So tomorrow, what are we going to do? If the market opens right here at 408, we're going to go $24 down, to the put side, $24 up to the call side, create a $2 wide Iron Condor. If we're not collecting enough credit at that point, we're going to bring sides in, meaning we're going to move up. 384 might go to 385. 432 might come down to 431. We're going to bring the sides in closer, equidistant, same distance away, until we get at least the 66 cents or more credit. And that is our trade in SPY, which is the S&P 500, for tomorrow. Everybody, and welcome to an opportunity I don't think you're going to want to pass up. Now, the point of all my courses is to give you the knowledge base and the confidence to learn to trade on your own, and hopefully one day generate an income stream on your own through the options market. But the best way I've found to do that is to allow you to trade side by side with me. So the way you do that is if you go to sharpertrades.com and you go to the products section, two alerts will show up: the basic alert and the pro alert. Now the alert itself is the same for both. The only difference between these two is the pro will give you access to every course I've ever made, many of which aren't available anywhere else. Now the prices, if you were to do it right now, would be $49 a month and $99 a month. But I'm so intent on getting you up and running as quickly as possible that if you go now to sharpertrades.com and you type in this code, you will get it for $1 for the first month for the basic alert. And you can cancel it anytime. So if you decide you don't like it after the first month, go ahead and cancel. If you like the alert and find value in it, from month 2 onwards, it'll click into $49 a month. Now the alert itself will send out 2 to 3 alerts per week, trades in real time, and they'll also send out all the alerts as far as managing the trades for the best possible profit opportunities. Again, you'll get 2 to 3 real-time trades per week, and any trades that are managed correctly for profits, you'll get those alerts in real time as well. So I really believe there's no better way to get up and trading as quickly and confidently as possible. beyond sitting next to me essentially and watching me trade and trading alongside me if you like. And again, I'm so intent on getting you there that I'm willing to give it to you for $1 for the first month to make sure you're comfortable with it. And if you're not, again, you can cancel at any time. So please jump on this opportunity. I really believe it'll get you up and trading as quickly and confidently as possible.